Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Manastin MSWAC10000-W 10,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. I've looked through the features, cooling performance, and practical expectations, and I'm going to break down whether this air conditioner is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest advantage of the Manastin MSWAC10000-W is undoubtedly its U-shaped window design. Unlike traditional window air conditioners that sit completely inside the window and block most of your view, this design allows the window to slide between the indoor and outdoor sections of the unit. This means you can still open your window for fresh air, maintain more natural light, and enjoy a better view outside. Another major benefit of this design is noise reduction. In a traditional window AC, the compressor and most of the mechanical components are positioned close to the room, making the unit noticeably loud. With the U-shaped configuration, the compressor stays farther outside, which helps reduce indoor noise and creates a more comfortable environment for sleeping, working, or watching TV. When it comes to performance, the 10,000 BTU cooling capacity is suitable for rooms up to approximately 450 square feet, making it a great choice for bedrooms, home offices, apartments, studios, and medium-sized living spaces. It provides fast cooling with an adjustable temperature range between 62 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, giving users flexibility depending on the season and personal comfort preferences. One of the more useful features is the My Temp smart remote function. Unlike basic remotes that only send commands, this remote can act like a portable temperature sensor by detecting the temperature around where you are sitting. The air conditioner can then adjust its operation based on your actual location rather than relying only on the temperature near the AC unit. This helps reduce hot and cold spots throughout the room and creates a more consistent comfort level. Energy efficiency is another area where the Manastin performs well. The energy saver mode reduces unnecessary power consumption by cycling the fan with the compressor instead of running everything continuously. Over a long summer season, this can contribute to lower electricity costs compared to constantly running the unit at full power. Maintenance is also straightforward. The washable air filter can be removed and cleaned easily, and the built-in filter reset reminder alerts you every 250 hours to maintain proper airflow. Keeping the filter clean not only improves air quality, but also helps the unit maintain its cooling performance over time. The installation system is another positive aspect. The included mounting components, adjustable support mechanism, and foam sealing materials are designed to provide a secure fit while maintaining the ability to open and close the window. However, because U-shaped units have a different mounting process compared to standard window ACs, installation may take slightly longer and requires careful measurement to ensure compatibility with your window. There are some limitations to keep in mind. First, although 10,000 BTU is powerful enough for medium-sized spaces, it may struggle in very large rooms, open floor plans, or spaces with excessive sunlight and poor insulation. Larger areas may require a 12,000 BTU or higher capacity model. Another consideration is that while the U-shaped design significantly improves comfort, these units are generally heavier and more complex to install than standard window air conditioners. Some users may need an extra pair of hands during installation. I've looked through the internet, checked window AC comparisons, energy efficiency expectations, and real-world usage trends, and here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a quieter, more comfortable, and more modern window air conditioner for a bedroom, office, or medium-sized room, the Manastin MSWAC10000-W is an excellent option. The U-shaped design, personalized temperature control, energy-saving features, and ability to keep your window functional make it stand out from conventional window units. However, if you need cooling for a very large room or want the simplest possible installation, a larger or more traditional AC unit might be a better choice. Overall, the Manastin MSWAC10000-W 10,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner delivers a smart combination of efficient cooling, quieter operation, and everyday convenience, making it a compelling choice for users who want a more advanced window AC experience.